Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make the iced tea cocktail. It's really easy, so let's not waste more time and start with the drink. We take our glass of choice, and to that we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 ml of gin. Then we're gonna proceed with 22.5 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of crème de pêche or peach liqueur. Then we go with 1 ounce and 3/4 or 52.5 ml of lemon juice. And we're gonna finish up with Earl Grey Tea, the same amount of 52.5 milliliters or 1 ounce and 3/4. So you just make your regular Earl Grey tea and that's it. Now we're gonna add some ice. And we're gonna take a straw, mix everything, and that is how we make the iced tea cocktail. Let's give it a taste. It's nice, but for my taste it's a little bit too dry. I would rather use some simple syrup, or you can make Earl Grey syrup instead. It's refreshing. You really notice the lemon, the notes from the peach liqueur, and of course from the Earl Grey. The gin I don't really manage to identify, but it's not a bad drink. As I said, it's quite refreshing, but for my taste I would probably next time add a little bit of sweetness to it. Anyhow, I think it's a nice start, so feel free to give it a try. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye everyone.